everyone, today is day 19 of our daily watercolour challenge, which this month is Joy of June. Every day I put up a short video showing how I painted the subject for the day. It's a full video, not sped up or shortened, with full instructions on what I'm doing as I go along. These videos are for our members of both Patreon and the subscription YouTube members, and for only $3 or $4 a month you'll gain access to these and many other perks, so why not think about joining? Here's today's video for everyone to enjoy. Let's get painting. Don't work too hard on them because they won't work. These are field poppies as we have in England and France, and I think shall we stick with 3 or not sure. Anyway, I'm just making this a bit heavier. Grab my dirty old piece of tissue here, take off some of the colour at the back there. Sometimes it's the best way. You get the most uneven results if you use a piece of tissue. Because actually poppies are very papery. These ones are anyway. I'm going to go to a really small brush and go to the olive green again. And we will mix in some yellow to make a yellower green. And I'm just going to put in some kind of imaginary stems because I don't think poppies on the whole have totally thin stems like this, although they look more elegant. If you paint them like that, don't they? And then we want some buds which go up, and then they have this kind of shape, and we'll put some red in here in a minute. Or darker green. Whoops. Yeah, that is very what's the word? Enthusiastic. And maybe we'll have another few leaves down here. And perhaps another bud here. And they do often have seed heads too. But of course they tend to be on the brown side. So we'll put that in there. And let's add some, I think pale would be good for the buds. And then we need some black. So we'll put in some blacks like that. Okay. And then I'm not going to try and do it with a brush, but I'm going to take a black pen and I'm just going to try to pull out a few of the little. I think these are considerably different to, well, there are lots of different types of poppies. A lot of them are cultivated and they're completely different. but that's what I'm going to do this time. So there we are, poppies, European style. So a little bunch of poppies, and remember the little tip about dabbing out the paint with your tissue, because that makes all the difference. I'll let you go, and I will see you tomorrow.